Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader in XO. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP, USD, British Pound, US Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of DXY, US Dollar Currency Index, and as we all know that DXY was struggling for the last couple of days and market was in severe dominance of sellers. But yesterday also, okay, things were not very positive, but somehow there was some good recovery on DXY, and DXY made to the level of 105.30, and for the last couple of hours, for 10 to 12 hours, okay, we can see that DXY is standing at the previous support, which is 105.30, and right now also acting as the new resistance. Okay, but still DXY doesn't want to surrender and still wants to go up, and it happened mainly because of US services industry regains steam, factory orders accelerate. Okay, so US services industry activity unexpectedly picked up in November with employment rebounding, offering more evidence of underlying momentum in the economy. So services industry picked up activity in November. Factory orders increased by 1%. Okay, so overall it was a positive picture. So as a result, we saw recovery on DXY or US dollar currency index. Okay, so DXY next critical level will be 105.50. Okay, it will have to cross 105.50. Okay, then only we can get the understanding that okay, buyers are back, bulls are back, and the next level will be 107 for DXY. Overall, the chart is still very much under the dominance of sellers. I'm not saying that we have a trend reversal on DXY, but yes, we can see that buyers are still trying their best to take the market up. As long as DXY breaks 107, 108 level, we cannot be certain regarding the trend reversal. Market is still in downtrend only, but we can see that buyers are trying their best to take the market up. Enough talk about DXY. Now let's proceed to GBPUSD. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD in front of us, and yes, as I have been discussing about 1.2380, 1.2400, and still market has failed to cross the level. Okay, so overall, if we just try to analyze the chart of GBP/USD, we can clearly see that market is still in uptrend. Market is still in uptrend. Market is constantly forming higher highs and higher highs, higher lows, which signify that buyers are dominating the market. Okay, so swing traders. Okay, swing traders, you can easily try to take position based on these swings. But if we go to or move to the weekly chart once, on the weekly chart we can see that market has failed. Okay, market has failed to cross the 50 moving average yet, and this was the main reason I marked a level of 1.2380, 1.2400. I clearly mentioned in my earlier videos that GBP USD will have to cross the 50 moving average, okay, which is also acting as dynamic resistance. Because if we look at the past performance of the 50 moving average, we can see that 50 moving average has successfully played the role of a dynamic resistance. So as a result, in the coming days, it will have to cross this level. Then only we will get the confirmation that okay, GBP/USD is really is going for a trend recovery. Okay, and if we look at the daily time frame, okay, on the daily time frame, we can see that GBP/USD, okay, GBP/USD structure is something like this. Okay, zigzag pattern, and as we all know, this is quite normal for every market. So this is the zigzag pattern. So to continue the zigzag pattern, it will have to come down a little bit. Okay, so I think the best price is still yet to come on GBP/USD. So now let's try to find out the best levels on the chart of GBP/USD for us. Again, we are back to the 4 hours time frame of GBP/USD here, and right now market is standing at 1.2150, 1.2130, the support level we talked in our previous video. Okay, but I think that the best price will be around 1.2030 or 1.2050. Though we can see the market is going for a small bounce here. Okay, if you're already holding a buy position, no need to exit, you can be on the trade. But I think the best position in this chart will be around at the the trend line. If market comes down to the trend line, takes support and bounces, that can be a very good trade. On the other hand, 1.2030 to 1.2050 has also the potential of becoming a very good trade. Because if we draw the Fibonacci here, if we draw the Fibonacci retracement here, we can see that we have got Fibonacci as well as market has also shown price rejection around this area. Okay, so previous resistance to act as support as well as Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So if you combine both the factors here, this level may act as a good support if market, and considering the present structure, I think that market should go for a bounce from here. If market bounces, okay, see, no level is permanent in the market, so observe the market first, then only take the decision. If you see market taking support, if you see market forming hammer pattern, price is being rejected from below, then only take a buy position. In case market breaks it, no need to take any sell position, just watch the market. Okay, just watch the market. And for a breakout, okay, for a breakout, I think market needs to cross 1.2400. Okay, then only we will get the proper confirmation. But as of now, the structure of the market is this, so wait for the market to come down to the right price here. If market bounces, continuing the present structure, we can definitely go for a buy position. This is a small support, small or minor support for the market right now. Let's wait and watch if you're holding any buy position, but be careful, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, capital protection should be your first priority always. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow.